Hey everyone, welcome to J Studio, your ultimate guide to mastering YouTube growth strategies. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to start a successful YouTube channel in 2025. So, grab a notebook because I'm about to share some golden tips to help you get started. Let's go. Step 1. Find your niche. Please don't skip. I know you've heard this before, but this is the backbone of your channel. This is the foundation of your channel. Think about what you're passionate about and what value you can provide to your audience. Is it tech reviews, fitness tips, travel vlogs, cooking, gaming, fashion, or something completely unique? In 2025, success on YouTube is all about standing out in your niche. Remember, the more specific your niche, the better. Pro tip: try asking yourself these questions. What topics can I talk about endlessly? What problems can I help solve? And what audience do I want to attract? Believe me, it's worth it. Just give yourself a week. 7 days is all it takes to figure out your niche. If you've already figured it out, I want you to create a new YouTube account and channel. Subscribe to all your favorite creators and watch their videos to analyze how their content, editing style, thumbnails, titles, and descriptions perform so well. Just start creating. Don't focus on perfection. Step 2. Plan your content. Before uploading your first video, brainstorm at least 10 to 15 video ideas. This ensures you're not scrambling for content after your launch. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube search suggestions, and even social media to find trending topics in your niche. Pro tip: create a mix of evergreen content and trending topics. Evergreen videos will keep bringing views for years, while trending videos can give your channel quick boosts. Step 3. Gear up. Now, you don't need to spend a fortune to get started. A smartphone with a decent camera, a good microphone, and natural lighting can work wonders. As you grow, you can invest in better equipment like ring lights, a DSLR camera, or editing software. Remember, content is king. Your storytelling and value will always outweigh flashy production. Step 4. Optimize your channel. Pick a catchy name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. Design a professional banner and logo using free tools like Canva. Write a compelling channel description with relevant keywords, and don't forget to add links to your social media. Step 5. Upload and engage. Upload your first video and engage with your audience. When uploading, focus on an eye-catching thumbnail, a strong title, and detailed descriptions with keywords. Once your video is live, respond to comments, pin a comment with a question, and encourage viewers to subscribe and share. Engagement boosts your video's visibility. The more you connect with your audience, the more loyal they'll become. Step 6. Stay consistent. Consistency is key on YouTube. Whether you upload once a week or twice a month, stick to a schedule that works for you. This helps build trust with your audience and keeps your channel growing. Set realistic goals. Quality over quantity always wins. Let's sum up all the points we've discussed. Step 1. Find your niche. Step 2. Plan your content. Step 3. Gear up. Step 4. Optimize your channel. Step 5. Upload and engage. And that's how you can start a successful YouTube channel in 2025. Remember, it's not about going viral overnight. It's about building a sustainable, engaging platform. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to J Studio and turn on the bell icon for more tips on growing your channel. Remember, success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. Let this be your mantra as you embark on your YouTube journey in 2025. Until next time, keep creating and keep growing. You've got this. Adios.